Bam! What's up guys? Today I'm showing some toy gun and equipment. So let's begin the show. First of all guys, I can show you what this toy
Oh yeah.
gun. Guys, the shotgun is black, deep orange, yellow, black, orange and orange color combination. Guys, see? This is the perfect shotgun. Look like a real shotgun, okay? See guys, this is nice. How nice it is guys. It has a razor light. This is a black color razor light. See the razor light, black color, and turn off. See? Nice guys. And I assemble it properly guys. So guys, now I can assemble it properly. And how it work guys? How it work? First of all, you turn the shotgun, turn and shoot. Wow guys, what a sound it have. Another time, turn and guys, guess what? And shoot. Wow guys, just amazing. Thrill, it had thrill. Then guys, I can show you black, yellow and orange color combination toy shotgun. See the toy shotgun? This is nice guys. Wow.
Oh yeah.
Guys, see? And how it works. First of all, you turn in and shoot. Another time, first of all, you turn in and shoot. Turn in and shoot. Okay, guys? Then, guys, I can show you this black and red color combination toy pistol. Wow, guys, this is amazing. This is, I don't know the facility I see. It looks like a real pistol, but not, guys. This is not a real pistol. And guys, it have a razor light. See? It
Oh yeah.
Now it's what turn and turn and then guys, I can show you this visiting card. This is a black and white color combination. Then guys, I can show you this sunglass. See the sunglass? See guys, it's nice, amazing. Then guys, this is another shotgun. You assemble it. Wow! This and this shotgun is same guys. See? Oh no! Turn, and guess what? Wow! Shoot. So guys, thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye guys.